Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to learn about los verbos ser y estar. According to la Real Academia Española, the main function of the verbs ser and estar is to attribute the subject with a specific quality or state. These verbs are the equivalent of the verb to be in Spanish. Now we're going to see how to conjugate them and when to use each of them properly. Ser is usually used if this characteristic is considered a part of the subject, is stable, is not subject to changes, and has the purpose of including the subject in a particular group. The verb ser can be used to talk about origin, possession, the time, characteristics or features, among others. Some examples are soy de Venezuela. This refers to my origin. This will never change. Then we have Mariana es una estudiante de la escuela. In this case, we're saying that Mariana is a student from the school. She is part of a particular group, this group of students. Then, son las 10 de la mañana. So we also use ser to talk about the time. And finally, la casa es muy bonita y grande. This characteristic would be considered stable as the house will continue to be pretty and continue to be big. Of course, there are certain things that could change this, but at this time, it's not something that is gonna be changing easily in the near future. Now, let's see how to conjugate the verb ser in present simple. We have yo soy, tú eres, él es, ella es, nosotros somos, ustedes son, ellos son, usted es. You can see that I put he, she, and you as respect in one color, while I put they and you as referring to a plural of the second person in a different color. In the future, you're going to see that these people will always use the verbs conjugated in the same way. Es, son, son. Let's see about estar. Estar is usually used when the characteristics referred to are the result of an action, transformation, or change and are not considered permanent. For example, estoy en Chicago. Today, I am in Chicago, but tomorrow I might be in Florida. Qué elegante estás. This would be the result of a change. Now I look very elegant, I look fancy because I dressed up to go to a party. But afterwards, this is going to change and I'm going to go ahead and put my pajamas on. Then we have Juan está feliz desde que vio al cachorro. This is the result of an action. Juan is now happy because he saw the puppy. What would have happened if he hadn't seen the puppy? Then he wouldn't be happy in this moment. And then we have el día está lluvioso. This is a rainy day. We're referring to the weather, which usually is going to use estar, and then this is not permanent. Maybe ahora está lluvioso, but later on it's gonna be a sunny day. And now let's see how to conjugate the verb estar in presente indicativo or present simple. Yo estoy. Tú estás. Él está. Ella está. Nosotros estamos. Ustedes están. Ellos están. Usted está. As I mentioned before, we can see él, ella, usted using the same conjugation, same as ustedes, ellos using the same one. Well, thank you for joining me for this lesson. If you liked it, you can subscribe and like it as well here. And I also left my social media. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Bye!